Cacao Elixir also has the Shaman's blend and the hemp protein, which helps kind of ground it out. This is a healthy hot chocolate that you can also blend cold. You can make a chocolate ice cream. It's very versatile. You can bake with it. It's unsweetened, as you can see. So, you know, for people worried about candida, like in my situation, I wanted to be able to have a chocolate treat that didn't feed the monsters, so to speak. Be sure to get my freebies up in the corner, which is the Cacao Cleanse, showing you how to work with chia seed and this product, Cacao Elixir, to be able to cleanse out a lot of the undigested material hanging out in our colon with chia seed that expands 20 times its size. You can get the free cavity healing protocol, pineal awakening protocol, and the 9 biohacks to feeling like $1,000,000.